feeling about it. You mentioned as far as, well, unless you recall about the Nature El Bey ones, the righteous ones always symbolically use the turban because they cover the head.
Right.
Always keeping the head covered.
Yeah. We all know that it's the atmosphere just the same, and we just keep our mystery to ourselves, because Babylon just don't say that.
Yes. Even in Islamic culture, different Islamic cultures in the East, they also symbolically wear a crown or a turban because they say that they don't want to expose their head to the elements or to the universe because it's impure.
Yeah.
And the crown of the head is supposed to be a sacred or a pure part of your body.
Yeah.
So they don't, outside of the locks themselves, but the head itself is a crown shot. And they don't want to actually expose that to the unpure or the dirty elements. Yes.
So it's connected just the same.
Yes, absolutely. So we just want to explain to people the symbolic meaning of the turban or any crown. Selassie wore a crown as well. He wore a feather as well. Can you explain who Haile Selassie is?
Well, I will tell you, Haile Selassie is King of Kings, Lord of Lords, all titles that are given, conquering all the tribe of Israel, all titles that the biblical reference as told you that the ground in jealous and the foundation will be Haile Selassie of all those titles restored and in. That's just an introduction.